So what happens if you've been driving all day long and you get to your campsite, you've set everything up and you are tired and hot and all you want is a shower? And you get to the shower and you have cold water. What do you do? My name is Sue Rasmussen and I am the instructor for the Advanced Water Heater and Furnace class here at the National RV Training Academy. And I'm going to teach you 5 simple fixes that anyone can do to get you your hot water. Stay tuned.
Welcome to another Dometic Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday.
If you arrive at your campsite and what you're getting out of your hot water tap, if it's just lukewarm water, you actually may not have a problem with your water heater itself. You might have a bypass issue. Bypass issues happen in one of 2 places. One is on the back of the water heater itself. Typically happens after you've de-winterized and you haven't bypassed it properly or undone the bypass properly. It also could be at the shower itself. There may be a bypass issue going on with your shower. And once you reset that properly, you're gonna have hot water again. One simple thing that you can do is if you are trying to turn your water heater on the gas side, on the propane side, is make sure that you have your propane turned on and make sure that there is propane in the tank, in the container, because it's a really common thing that you run out and you don't realize it, and your water heater is still gonna try to work. You hear it going click, tick, 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 but nothing happens. It's not gonna go anywhere. So make sure, go check that you have propane in the tank. Another really simple thing that is easy to miss is if you're trying to turn on your water heater on electric and you have a Suburban, there is often a hidden switch on the face of the Suburban water heater, and if you didn't know it was there and it was turned off, your water heater is not going to work on the electric side. I see it day in and day out where people don't realize that switch is there and that it's turned off. So the fix with that is go look, see if you can find it on the face of your water heater and turn it on, and you're going to have hot water on your electric side. Another really simple fix that you can do on your water heater, if you turn your water heater on and you are not hearing anything, nothing is even trying to happen, one thing that can happen is if the fuse in the fuse panel is blown, it's a simple 15 amp fuse, and if that's blown, your water heater is not going to work. So if you have a multimeter, you can check to see, is my fuse good? If your fuse is bad, that's a simple fix that anybody can do. One of the other very simple fixes that you can do on a water heater, if you have a Dometic, there's a component on the face of that water heater called a thermal cutoff. If that blows, your water heater is not going to work on gas or electric. So to check it, you need to check it with a multimeter, and you're looking for, does that have continuity? You're going to set your multimeter to ohms and you're going to see end to end, does that component have continuity? If it does, it is a good component. If it doesn't, it is a bad component and your water heater will not work without it. So if it does not have continuity, we just swap it out for a new one, and the new one handles everything, and then your water heater is going to work again. So there you have it. 5 simple fixes that anyone can do to get your water heater up and running again so you have hot water for your shower. And there's your tech tip.
All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
So let me regroup. So those are oh man. Okay, am I in the right spot?
Yes.
Okay, there is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say Tuesday, crap. Ah! And there is your tech tip. There's your tech tip there's your tech tip. There's your tech tip.
Like that.
There's your tech tip. Tech Tip Tuesday! I just completely blanked out. What's the end that we want to say? Okay.